In this video, I want to do a quick overview of the Thanos snap in C++. Here is an overview of it. This is more efficient and works better, similar to the blueprints version. In this map, I have 1000 NPCs, I have the 6 infinity stones. Then I press a key input and I can snap to get 500 NPCs. Time to show the C++, in the character header class, I have two variables, an all-life array of actors which contains all the characters. The second variable is the snapped lives array, which contains all the snapped actors. I created two functions which have the property blueprint callable, so I can call these functions in the character blueprint. I will show the blueprint side by side which was shown in the original tutorial. First, the event begin play. In here you want to create a local array for found actors, and then do a get all actors of class, of the character type. Then the text found actors is the last parameter, as that's the array we want to add it to. Next we want to do a for each loop of the found actors, so we can add those actors to the all life array. The if statement is so we don't add ourselves, the player, into this. You could do the if statement as self if you wanted to. Next, the snapped population function. In here, you will need to make a custom shuffle function which I do with the f_random stream, find the last index and loop through. We can then check if the index is not equal to the random index it selects, so it can do the swap. You can find these sorts of shuffle functions online in the Unreal Answer Hub. We want to then move on to the divided value. I decided to make this a local variable. Then in the for loop, we loop through half of the population, and add the half to the snapped array, and remove them from the all life. We then do a for each loop, which is unnecessary. You can just have the one for loop if you know how to do it. I will just do a for each loop and then set actor to invisible. You can also do some other VFX code here. Now on to the bringing them back, which is simpler. You just do a for each loop, and add those snapped lives into the all life, set them to not hidden. After the for each loop, we just empty the snapped lives array. We have done C++ part of this project. I have also decided to put the enum into C++, if you want to continue the rest of the tutorial in C++, but for me, I did the actual infinity stones quickly in Blueprint, which is similar to the tutorial we did originally. You can make the enum in Blueprints if you want. Anyway, on to the Blueprint character. In here, we have the inputs done. I have created a stone array to be our list of infinity stones that we have collected. You don't need to add in the stones, you can just skip the stones part and remove this branch, and just do the code after the true branch. I created a test input to print out the population of life left on the planet. It should show half the number. Last time, we did it in Blueprint, the maths didn't work out, but it does in C++. If you do want the infinity gems, you can create a Blueprint actor. In here, we have a singular variable of the stone enum. Make sure you tick instance editable, that means when we place the gems, we can select their type. In the viewport, you just need a mesh and a box component. Soon I will share an interaction system. On event begin play, set the material of the mesh. Next, we can get the on component begin overlap event for the box, cast to the player, and then add stone to hand, which is a custom event, that I created in the player character. Here is the code. The inputs is an item to find of the enum stone, and an actor type. We first check if we already have this type of gem, then if we don't we can just add it to our stone array list and destroy that actor. This is all. Test the game and see if it works well. If any errors occur, comment below or join my Discord. Consider subscribing and sharing. See you next time.